Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So, number 8, that is about number 2 multiplied by 4x. So, we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine of 4x squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And this one we have like this. So because we don't have number 4 in here, so we divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change for u. 2 sine 4x cosine 4x dx we change for this one. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.